So in 2020, there were 28 different attacks on cryptocurrency platforms, causing a total loss of over $300 million worth of crypto. Clearly, this shows that any cryptocurrency investor should be thinking long and hard about the safety and security of the crypto that they buy. Now, there are a number of different methods out there available to store your cryptocurrency, the two most popular of which are either hot storage or cold storage. Hot storage basically means that your cryptocurrency is in a place that is connected to the internet. Now, this makes it a lot more accessible to you if you want to buy and sell very quickly and make transactions. You'll likely want to hold on to it in a hot wallet. These are things like Coinbase provides a hot wallet, Gemini, etc. Any of these exchanges provide hot wallets for you to trade in and out of. Now, the downside to those is that they are more susceptible to being hacked because they are in fact connected to the internet. Now, they have a lot of security measures in place, but that doesn't eliminate the fact that they still have the potential to be hacked. Now, with a cold storage wallet, on the other hand, this is something that is not connected from the internet. It is a physical device that you're able to hold onto, put your cryptocurrency onto essentially, and then not have it connected to the internet. And it's a lot safer, but it's a little bit less convenient when it comes time to actually buy and sell if you're actively trading. Pretty difficult to do so out of a hardware wallet. So in this video, we're going to be providing you with an in-depth review of the Ledger Nano S. This is one of the most popular cold storage wallets out there for your cryptocurrency. So we're going to be diving deep into exactly how it works and whether it might be a good idea for you to purchase one of these things, or if there might be a better option out there. Now, if at any point during the video you want to actually buy one of these things, we have a link in the description and pinned comment below that will actually help support the channel if you do want to buy one, but no pressure on that either way. Now, starting right off, let's dive into some of the highlights of the Ledger Nano S. Now, this thing's gonna run you $59, which in the grand scheme of things probably isn't that much if you've got, say, $50,000 invested in cryptocurrency. A $59 investment to protect that $50,000 is probably well worth it, at least in my opinion. Now, the Ledger Nano S is compatible with over 1,500 different cryptocurrencies, so even if you're holding cryptos that aren't Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin, there's a good chance that they are supported by the Ledger Nano S. It's also compatible with any 64-bit computer or Android 7 and above phone. It's unfortunately not compatible with iPhones, so you're going to have to use your computer if you use an iPhone and want to use the Ledger Nano S. Additionally, there is no battery needed for the device because it just plugs directly into your computer or smartphone and gets its charge there. The one downside to the Ledger Nano S is its limited storage capacity. So you're not limited in terms of the dollar value of cryptos stored on the device, but you are limited in terms of the number of different cryptos you can hold on the device. So you're capped at 6 different cryptos. You've got compatibility with over 1,500, but you can only hold 6 at a time on your particular device. So if you want to hold more than 6, then you might want to check out the Ledger Nano X, which you can find our review on up here. This does increase your storage capacity, gives you some other cool features as well, but it's going to come at a bit of a higher price point. So now that you've got the Spark Notes, what actually is the Ledger Nano S? Well, the Ledger Nano S launched in 2016, and since then, they've sold over 1 million units. It's one of the most popular cold storage devices out there for cryptocurrency. According to their website, this is the original hardware wallet that allows you to easily start your crypto journey, buy crypto, secure your assets, and manage them in one single app. Now, when you purchase the device, you are going to receive the following. First, you're going to get the Ledger Nano S device itself. Then you're going to get one micro USB cable so you can connect it to either your phone or your computer. You're going to get a lanyard for the device. You're going to get a keychain with a key ring, and you're going to get a recovery sheet for writing down your seed phrase. This is a very important thing that we're going to talk about in just a little bit. Now, at a glance, the Ledger Nano S definitely does resemble a USB stick. The only difference is that there's a small analog screen and 2 buttons up at the top that you can use to navigate through the device. But that being said, how does it actually work? Well, in order to power the device on, you have to actually plug it into something. Like I said, there's no battery in there, so it needs to be connected to something in order to power on. Then once it's powered on, you're going to be prompted to set up a PIN for your device. This is going to be very, very important that nobody else has this PIN, because if somebody has your PIN and they have your physical device, then your crypto is as good as gone, and they have full control over your cryptocurrency. Now, once you've got your PIN set up, you're going to need to download the Ledger Live application. You can get that either on your Android phone or on your desktop computer. Then you're going to follow along with the steps both on your computer and on your device in order to get everything all set up. Now, at this point, there's a very important step of recording your seed phrase. So your seed phrase is going to display on your device one word at a time, and you're going to have to page through it as you go. Now, the seed phrase is used for recovering your cryptocurrency if you somehow lose possession of the physical device. Because if you lose possession of the physical device, there's no way to access your crypto other than the seed phrase. So your two options for getting your crypto: you have the device and the PIN, or you have the seed phrase. Either one of those will get you your crypto, and either one of those will expose your crypto if somebody else were to get a hold of it. So as that's displaying, you're going to want to write it down on the seed phrase sheet that they give you and put that in a very secure location that nobody else will be able to access, because if they get it, then they have full control over your crypto. Now, when you're setting up your Ledger device, you might be prompted to download some apps onto it. Now, what actually are these apps? Well, you're going to need a different app for each cryptocurrency you want to store on your wallet. So if you want to have Bitcoin, you download the Bitcoin app. If you want to have Ethereum, you download the Ethereum app. And so you can add up to 6 different apps to your device at a time, and that is where the 6 crypto cap comes into play. There's 1,500 different apps you can get, but you can only have 6 at a time. Now, one common misconception that a lot of beginner cryptocurrency investors have is that the hardware wallet actually stores your crypto. Now, this is not entirely accurate, okay? Your Ledger wallet instead stores the private keys from your transaction. See, when trading cryptocurrency, all of your transactions are recorded on the blockchain. Then, to verify ownership of the cryptocurrency, to make sure that you have the crypto to give to someone or someone has the crypto to give to you, public and private keys are used. The private key is used to withdraw and spend your cryptocurrency from your wallet. The public key is used to receive crypto to your wallet. So you give other people that public key, they send you the crypto, and then you use that private key to send crypto to other people. Now, it's very important that your private key remains private, because if someone has access to your private key, they've got access to your crypto. So the only 2 ways for them to access your private key are, like I mentioned before, having your physical device and the PIN, or having your seed phrase. If they've got either of those, they can get your private key, they can get your crypto. But if they don't have either of those things, then your private key is protected with this hardware wallet. So keeping your private key safe should be your top priority in order to make sure that this wallet is actually protecting your crypto. So to tie things together here, the Ledger Nano S is one of the most popular cold storage options for cryptocurrency out there. Launched in 2016, sold over 1 million units since then, and is pretty commonplace as like the go-to hardware wallet for crypto. And it's compatible with over 1,500 different cryptos. You can hold up to 6 at a time, and if you need more storage capacity than that, again, there's the Ledger Nano X, which you can find our comparison on up here. That will give you a little bit more storage space. If you do decide you want to grab yourself a Ledger Nano S, we've got links in the description and pinned comment. And if you want to dive a little bit deeper into how the Ledger Nano S actually works, we've got a comprehensive article on our website, investingsimple.com. The easiest way to find that is to head on over to Google, search for Ledger Nano S review, and then click on the link for investingsimple.com. We'll see you over there.